Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another get ready with me. I actually posted on Instagram yesterday, or Insta stories, what you guys wanted to see, whether it was the Too Faced chocolate gold or the Tartelette toasted palette. The Too Faced got 60, let's bring that back. This one got 65%. And the toasted got 70%. So we are going with the toasted palette. So I did a full review on this with swatches and stuff. I had mentioned in that video, if you haven't seen it, I'll link it up here. Mentioned in that video that I do like this palette. I really do. It's just that some shades are not my favorite, basically. But it is workable. It is doable. You know, so don't be too scared if you don't mind playing around with this. So the first color I'm going to go with is S'more right here. I'm going to pack this on my eyelids. I'm setting my primer. I already did my brows and I already did prime my lids just to get this video started. So we're going to set this, which is a really nice one. It is a bit powdery, but it does have pigmentation on it. The next color I'm going to use is Cashmere, and this is the color that I mentioned to you guys has a lot of powder kick up, so you do have to be very careful. As you guys can see, it just bounces. A lot of powder kick up. So I'm going to put this in our crease. Now I'm going to grab the color Warmth, which is right here. This color right here with the same brush. I did forget to mention that this palette does smell like chocolate. Okay, so now that we have that set, I think for the eyes, I do want to play around with this color right here just to show you guys how it looks on the eyes. So I'm going to grab some of my Too Faced glitter glue. I'm going to put this on my eyelids and then we're going to work with that eyeshadow, because I want you guys to see what I'm talking about. So we're going to pack this on our eyes. And then I'm going to grab it with my finger. See how you have the glitter on there? I'm going to pack that on. If you do not do this or wet this eyeshadow, you're going to get all that glitter fall out all over your eyes. And look, there's no glitter left on my finger. Okay, we're going to do the same thing to the other eyeball. Looks like a hot mess right now, guys, but don't worry. I am going to, so I can see a bunch of glitter all over my face already. I'm going to grab this color right here in Latte, and we're going to use that to blend out Crackle. Okay, the next color I want to grab is Cozy, which is right here. And I'm just going to grab that with the same brush. And I'm going to blend this right up here. Woo! I'm going to go in there with a flat shader brush to kind of fix the crackle color, the brown in there, because I do see some spots closer that are driving me crazy. So what am I going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of glitter glue on this pencil or concealer brush and just put it there and then pack that on there. Gonna go back in and just blend it with whatever's left on this brush. I know this color's not gonna last, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with Simmer and put this on the center of the lid just to kind of open up this eye look. To finish the look off, I'm going to go in with Fireside, which is right here. I'm going to grab a clean blending brush and just blend everything. Okay, now that we're done with the eyes, as you guys can tell from my review, I don't understand why they put glitter in this, because it just falls out of your eyes. It's not really non-existent. Not even with glitter glue, it really stays. It's all over down here. I can see a little bit of the sparkle, but not too much. I wish that was a matte brown, but it's still workable. It's still doable. Just tap off the excess off your brush and the glitter sparkles will fall off of there, but just a fair warning. So I'm going to clean my face, do my liner. I'm going to use this Physicians Formula one that I've been trying to use up. It's still going, sort of. I don't know how much longer I'm going to use this. Then I'm going to do my 614 Salon Perfect Lashes mascara, and I'll be right back. For primer, I'm going to use the Cover FX Blurring Primer. For the face glow, I'm going to use this Buxom Divine Goddess Luminizer in Venus. For foundation is the MAC Studio Fluid Fix that I have been working on. I'm going to use my NYX Dark Circle Corrector in medium, and then my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye in neutral medium. For my under eye setting powder, I use the NYC Smooth Skin Loose Powder, and then for my face, I'm using my MAC MSF Plus. For bronzer, we're going to use this Too Faced Sweet Peach Glow palette. This bronzer right here, I just can't stop using it. It's just so pretty. It is so pretty. For blush, we're using the Rockateur by Benefit, which looks like this, all over the cheeks. Now we're going to go back to this palette, but before we do, I'm going to tightline and waterline with my Mally Evercolor Starlight Waterproof Liner in Midnight, which looks like this. I'm going to go in super close with the color Fireside, and then I think I'm going to blend it out with Latte, which is right here, and Cozy, which is right here. So I'm going to blend it out with those two. For highlighter, I'm using my Hourglass one. I'm literally swirling all over all of them. So I just go like this. See? I'm gonna grab this one as my inner corner highlight. Badescu cucumber spray. I'm gonna grab Absolutely It from MAC and line my lips. And then grab Beetroot by Bite Beauty. So there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I told you guys my thoughts on this palette. It is usable, it is wearable, as you guys can see on my eyes. I really did like the look, but it is a little bit tougher to play around with. You gotta have a little bit more patience with certain colors. You guys can see here, it's like sticking to my eyelids and things, but I did like the way it came out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section if you are liking this palette, if you are interested in it, or if you're not even liking this palette and you purchased it. Thank you again for watching. I will catch you guys in my next video, and don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye guys.